If I can use the excuse when it's time for me to meet my maker, if I tell God I left my Bible down there, will he let me go back? I know he got him like, boy, you still up here lying, ain't you?
Oh my God. It's Trey and NeeNee. They so fake. All in the camera acting like they so in love and stuff.
Huh?
You know I like to talk.
Y'all want me to pray? Huh?
Cause you know I like to talk.
Y'all want me to pray? Huh? Read 'em, boy.
You know I like to talk.
Y'all want me to pray? Huh?
We them girls. You know I like to talk. TRAYANDNEENEE with the mukbangs. Eating good all every day.
What's up, y'all? What's going on today? It's your boy, Trigger Trey.
And it's your girl, NeeNee.
Man, today we didn't want too much. We just want to let y'all know we were still here. Still loving on y'all. Still appreciate what y'all do for us. But before we get started, man, make sure you guys like, subscribe,
and comment, because you know I like to talk.
Y'all know NeeNee loves to talk, and I don't know how much we got to talk about today because your boy is hungry. With that being said, you ready, baby? Y'all ready to pray? Let us pray. Father God, bless this food we're about to receive for the nourishment of our body. If there's anything wrong, please take away your everlasting arm protection. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen.
I don't know why. I just feel like you got something up your sleeve, bro.
Me?
Yeah. What we got, baby?
No, this you know I don't play with you. No. Who you So y'all, yeah, today we are eating lobster tails, shrimp, corn, and eggs with a little butter sauce.
Yes.
And Trey is got us drinking on some Coca-Cola.
Damn, y'all know what it is.
Y'all already know we drinking on when it comes to seafood.
Y'all know.
Ain't no surprise.
Ain't no surprise.
And y'all know I'm gonna get some on my shirt, so don't be talking about NeeNee. Yup.
Nasty.
Yup. Nasty.
I gotta pull my head. My thumb is still messed up. I think I'm gonna have to have surgery. I'm gonna have to have surgery, so I don't wanna just spill all this on the food. You know what? I ain't gonna even give y'all the ASMR moment there. I'm gonna do it from afar. Shh, just shut up. You hear that? That remind me when I was little, and them little girls just try to pull me on their bike. Huh? I said it. Oh, yours coming out like that?
Like that.
Let me see what they like.
Who's definitely the top.
And Coca-Cola is that deal.
I have to fill mine up, y'all, cause Trey have it all over there on his side.
I do.
He can just grab. So I'm gonna start
And I got M&M's all on the side of the bed.
with an egg, y'all.
Are you going
He ain't lying either.
Why we I ain't lying about the M&M.
No.
Okay, do I got a towel on the side of my bed?
Yup.
She ain't lying. Finna taste the egg too.
Oh.
First bite, food up in this thing. Oh, it's hot.
You forgot what he was. Well, I'm gonna just squeeze my lemon in my juice. I don't feel like doing that.
My mouth might get a little greasy. My hand might feel a little wheezy.
Y'all already know what it is, don't you?
I'm gonna tell you one of these shrimps. Shrimp kebab. There it is.
You did it? Okay.
It don't even matter.
Y'all be picking up around here.
Exactly. That's why I never. You know what? That's probably why I don't get it. Every time I'm trying to get it, NeeNee little eyes be showing.
Oh, my head falling.
Purple eye mother.
I don't do that.
Anyway, man, hopefully y'all saw our last couple videos. Hopefully y'all saw the Church's Chicken video.
Hope y'all enjoyed it.
Hope y'all enjoyed that. Hope y'all enjoyed the acting sus. I know y'all enjoyed that. I have fun pranking your girl.
Yeah, a hot mess.
But anyway, y'all, hopefully y'all had a nice weekend.
As y'all know, we did, but we've been getting a lot of rain.
Yeah, and we mad because we couldn't ride our scooter.
This rain been going in.
And I want to know, they got scooters y'all on sale at Walmart.
Oh, sale.
I guess they on sale. Aren't they on sale? Well,
Are they?
NeeNee just informed me they not on sale. So, anyway it go. They got scooters at Walmart, y'all.
I really don't know.
For like $250, something like that. And if y'all go get y'all a scooter, become part of the scooter gang. Hashtag TRAYANDNEENEE, hashtag send more. You know, it's just 4 of us right now.
Yep. Ryan strong.
I think my brother-in-law gonna get one.
Y'all Trey had my brother out down there.
On a scooter.
I told you.
Should've known, boy. I
That's
should've
why I always
known.
put on something I don't really, you know. I ain't coming on here cute, eating no seafood. And I moved out the way and he still ain't got it.
One day I'm gonna get him. Last time he did lobster tail. God almighty. Do you put lemon on lobster tail?
Yeah.
This is my first time putting lemon on y'all. I think anyway. I think I may have did before.
Y'all, I be all up in there trying to pull my meat out. I don't play about this right here.
I know you do.
See?
Huh?
Why you got butter? Why you got butter all down his chin?
I ain't even saying that.
Dang.
Boy, this thing got a... Babe, you killed this. You killed this.
Do you like the butter? Cause Trey very picky about what he be eating, so some stuff I be wanting to put in there, I be like, I ain't gonna eat.
So, this is my thing with food, y'all. Now, NeeNee is a great cook. But sometimes when I'm hungry, like NeeNee be wanting, she be like, I want you to try this. I want you to, hold on. I ain't like what my hand was. Let me put that down like that.
The prank over.
The prank over, let me put that down. Nah, for real though, NeeNee is a great cook. But sometimes, like when I'm hungry, like NeeNee, she'll just want to try something. I want to try this. I'm like, no, you don't need to try that. I just want a hamburger.
That's why I was trying new stuff.
Like, NeeNee cook like gourmet stuff. Y'all ever know somebody just cook like gourmet stuff? Like, and I keep trying to tell you, you need to get you, I ain't gonna say a cooking show, but sometimes people want to see you cook the food. Cause I know y'all be like, they eat out a lot. Don't get it twisted. I told y'all a country, God dang girl.
I'm sorry, y'all, this corn so good.
Did y'all see how quiet NeeNee is?
You was talking? He always saying that. I'm supposed to talk over him while he talking. Don't you want?
Who was you hollering at, player?
Before you talk to me.
I know what's on my chin.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. That's why I said that.
Didn't.
That's why I said that. But y'all, I ain't gonna lie, man. We've been having so much fun downtown.
Yeah.
Got down the Beltline.
There's so many people, all ages, be down there just enjoying themselves.
And they be down there skateboarding and
And they be having the prettiest dogs, don't they?
yeah.
They be so big.
Y'all ever seen a dog with an afro? Now I'm talking about a real afro, y'all.
Talking about that,
Yeah, like the afro been picked.
yeah. It was pretty though.
Good God Almighty, lobster tail so good. Boy, you put your foot off in this thing.
Good.
You put your feet off in that thing. Yes, sir. I just gave y'all a little glimpse. I know I ain't get it.
Ask him why he keep doing it though.
They be killing me in the comments. Us. They be like, I don't know why y'all ain't put y'all food up.
I don't either. Yeah, I gotta hold my butter right here because if I go that way with it, y'all ain't gonna see.
Boy.
I'm gonna wipe my mouth in a minute.
I love her.
This is crazy. Man, why didn't you take the corn?
Cause I know I want to knock out that lobster tail first.
You wanna make sure you eat the good first.
Yes, you got to eat the good first. Slide over, babe. You kind of sort it out of the yeah. You got to eat the good first.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't stand that butter dripping down, but it make you don't be wanting to stop. What is this?
Trying to take your boy out. I forgot what I dreamed about last night, y'all. But I know me and you know, this is gonna seem weird what I'm about to say, y'all.
This something you ain't told me.
Right.
I know.
Y'all ever been dreaming and fell asleep in your dream and had another dream in your dream?
What?
That's why I say I might not get along. I was asleep last night dreaming.
I hate when you talk crazy.
I was asleep last night dreaming that I fell asleep. And in my dream I was sleeping. And I was still dreaming. And I just seen some bright lights. And and the bright lights kept saying, come to me, my son. Come to me, my son. I kept saying, ain't? Ain't? What do you want me for?
It was the good Lord. You ain't gonna be able to say ain't.
That what, whoever it was, I said ain't to him.
You just getting snatched up.
I already know I ain't gonna act right on that day. When it's time to meet your maker, they gonna be trying to grab my hand. I'm be.
It's not wrong with you. I'm prepared.
They gonna be trying to grab my hand. I'm be fighting and biting. I can hear somebody in the back in line.
Who you gonna bite?
Man, that's Jesus. That's God.
So what you think? If you cut up like that, they gonna toss you back?
They might let me go.
No.
Comment down below if y'all think if I can use the excuse when it's time for me to meet my maker. If I tell God I left my Bible down there, will he let me go back? I know he got him like, boy, you still up here lying, ain't you?
I'm done.
God, they just probably gonna look at the wise man and just be like, even on the last day, that boy still up here lying.
But you going straight? Then you gonna sit there and tell a lie?
Hey, as soon as I tell that lie, what if I hear, you know how the sound when the gas stove come on, I hear that. I'm just playing, Jesus. I'm just playing, God. Trying to warm it up on me. What you done did?
I ain't doing nothing.
I swear, NeeNee, I don't trust you on these mukbang. I think I'm so scared, man.
I'm just looking. Looking at you talk crazy. Oh boy. Yeah, this so good.
It is. Hey, we on the quest, y'all, to learn how to eat crawfish.
I don't know about that yet.
We was on live the other day, and we went live the other day, and we trying to find somebody to teach us. I know Cuzzo gonna teach us, but see, Cuzzo gonna eat the whole crawfish, and she gonna laugh at us, cause she know. I already know she gonna be playing.
Well, my sis sent some cinnamons, and she gonna teach me. I trust her.
I got an issue with that too. Scent be playing sometimes too.
She might get you, but she ain't gonna do it. But Cuzzo, heck no.
Sis ain't going viral with me. I hear nothing. Look at him. Don't put me out on the national TV.
Telling us there's something in his booty for real.
Can't, man. And crazy part, I really want to learn how to eat
Look tedious.
crawfish on the back.
Why from the back?
Ain't this how you eat them? Or you split them in half? You go, that's what they did say. You really eating the belly.
I said that.
Eating the belly.
I don't know what you eating, but
You know what, baby? When you eating the, like, when you say eat the belly, that brought back a memory. When I was a little boy, I was traumatized. I told you. My mama be watching us now, so.
I ain't said nothing, my Sandra.
All thing I'm gonna say is, I ran out the house to the next door neighbor screaming and hollering. Cause I walked in my mama's room, and I don't think I remember, cause I was probably about 5. All I remember is telling the neighbor, "It's a snake on my daddy, and it's eating my mom in the belly."
Your mama gonna call you soon as she see this.
I'm editing this.
I want to be right there, front and center. I want all the tea. Is that what they call it?
Ooh, I can hear my mama now. Whoa, what?
Boy.
Anyway, my mama's so fun.
And funny.
And funny, and I love her to death. And that's where I get all of my patience from. I got the patience of Job, because I'm very patient. NeeNee might not think I am, but I am though. You ain't gonna eat that last lobster?
Come again and say what?
I got the patience of Job. You don't want that last lobster?
Go ahead, babe.
I ain't gonna let it go to waste on here.
I ate 2.
I don't ate 3. This will be number 4. Come on up out of there. You! Come on up out of there.
What
Dang.
are you pulling off?
Shell.
There shouldn't be no shell on it. It is not shell.
Huh?
Don't do that. It's pulled outside the shell, so why would you?
What?
You ain't just pulled it off of there.
I think that was my fault though. It wasn't fault the food, it wasn't on the food.
My bad.
I thought they were trying to.
I can't.
I thought they would turn you on though. That's why I keep doing it. They ain't turning you on.
Yeah, I couldn't take it no more.
It'll turn you on.
Mm-hmm. Wipe your mouth.
Anyway, man, listen.
Ooh, ooh, that turns you on.
That's not what we do.
Excuse me.
That's
I'm
not
sorry.
what we do on here. We don't do all that.
We did it today.
Anyway,
We
man.
did it today.
Y'all did
Today we did it.
that. Nasty. Anyway, man, before we get up out of here, make sure you guys like, subscribe.
And comment, because you know I like to talk.
Make sure you guys, And if you are new to this channel, man, welcome to Atlanta. Welcome to Atlanta, y'all. With that being said, man, we ain't want too much, man. We just checking in.
We're checking on.
And now we're checking out, y'all. Peace.
TRAYANDNEENEE with the mukbangs, eating good all every day. Fish plates with the chicken wings, they all wanna go crazy. Vibes and all going through the city, drip go crazy, yeah, TRAYANDNEENEE. Huh? Yeah, you know they like to talk, you know they like to yeah, eating good all every day. Fish plates with the chicken wings, they all wanna go crazy. Eating good all every day. Fish plates with the chicken wings, they all wanna go crazy.